I think I found a baby bird over here. Look at the baby bird. Isn't it so cute? Just laying there. Woo! Woo! Aww. Baby bird. Did you get hurt? Don't run away. There's a lightning bug right there. Baby bird. Don't run away. It's getting trapped. Oh no! No! Did you hear that chirp? You're a cute little birdie. Oh no, it's trapped in the corner. Oh no. Run away! Fly! It's in the garden. Where did it go? It's in the bush. Better be in there. Better stay in there. Wonderful flowers. Flower right here. No, just small flowers. Flower right here. Yeah, not the best. You're decent. Whoa. Whoa, what's over here? Oh, the birdie. The birdie is in the corner. It's over here. Oh no. See it? The birdie? I don't think we want to let the kitty out of here. Out here. Oh, it's trapped. It's in the corner over there. Whoa! Here's a caterpillar, look. That looks like it has horns on it. Look at the kitty. It's just wanting the birdie. Look at it. Oh, kitty, kitty, kitty.